Installing plinth. The 18-gauge galvanized plinth angle iron helps a lot when you install your plinth. Simply install it first. Make sure it is level, and then you can simply set the plinth in place. Window moldings. Here we will show you how to install window moldings. We have a sill, straight Baroque moldings, Baroque corners, and a keystone. Moldings should be installed before you install the tiles. Sill installation. We put 4 shim screws behind each sill piece. These screws should be located at the 4 corners of each piece. Then we make sure that all these screws protrude about 3/8 of an inch. Now screw the sill into place using the 3-inch number 8 screws. You want to make sure the sills line up and are evenly matched. A preliminary installation has been done for all sill pieces. Assess the shimming you have to do and remove the sill pieces again in order to do the adjustments. Reinstall the sills. Baroque corners. Slots are needed on the backside of the Baroque corners where the end dams of the window flashing are. Cut the backside as seen here, and be careful not to cut all the way through the molding. Then install. Install the 2 Baroque corners at the top corners and calculate what cuts you need to make. After calculating and cutting your moldings, install them starting at the bottom. You might have to make some adjustments to get it just right. Now onto the top of the window. Center the keystone and draw lines along the sides. Then measure the distance of the top and bottom. Typically the top is 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch less than the bottom. When cutting this, you will want to angle your cut slightly, as seen here, to compensate for the flare on the keystone. Install the 2 side pieces first, and slide the keystone in. There you have it, a great looking window. Arch corners. These 2 pieces here require a cut that needs to be drawn on the building paper. Make a mark on the building paper The cut extends from where the 2 molding lines meet to this inside corner. And then transfer it to the molding. Here we will show you how to make and install clips where needed due to the fact the hangers have been cut off. Look here, this is an easy way to hold moldings in place on the cutting table in order to do these cuts. Slide your moldings into the hole in the middle of the table. Now cut your slots. On this arch corner, we will be using a Z and a J clip. Here we show you how to bend the perforated metal clip material. Cut 2.5-inch strips. Z clip. With your pliers, bend 1/2 inch at a 90-degree angle. 1/2 inch from this bend, Bend the metal at about a 20-degree angle. J-clip. Simply insert the perf metal into the desired spot and wrap around the molding. Now on to installing this corner with your clips. Start from the bottom. Insert the Z-clip and screw into place. Then install the J-clip. Hook into the cut slot of your molding. Now screw into the top hangers. You will use the same basic principles on all moldings and tiles where clips are needed, as well as joining corners of all moldings on arches. The last clip we want to mention is the L-clip. It is used to replace a hanger where needed. For this situation, you need to cut your slot double the thickness of your saw blade. This will give you enough room to insert a screw into the slot, which will hold the perforated metal firmly in place.